Hey, and welcome to Invincible Marketer Review. I'm excited to walk you through what Invincible Marketer from High Impact Marketing actually is, why it stands out right now, and who it's built for. And I'll show you inside in a moment. At its core, Invincible Marketer is presented as a brand new money system for 2026, paired with a free case study you can download without any opt-in. The presentation positions the system as a way ordinary people, even those with zero tech knowledge, can tap into what the creators call a $12 billion industry and create meaningful income leverage for themselves. What really grabbed me about this one is how clearly it's aimed at beginners. The material emphasizes a low-tech, straightforward approach, so if you've avoided online opportunities because you don't want to wrestle with complicated tools, this is designed with you in mind. The free case study is front and center, and it's promoted as a standalone download, which makes it easy to get started and see the framework they're teaching before committing to anything else. The copy also highlights a private community of more than 2,500 members, and that community angle is a big strength to me. Having other people around who are following the same system, sharing tips, and helping each other avoid the usual guru-style detours makes the learning curve feel much less lonely, and that support can help you move faster. I like that the creators position Invincible Marketer as a fresh system for 2026, so the content is presented as updated with current opportunities and approaches, rather than something recycled. The sales page talks about saving time and money by sidestepping common mistakes, and the whole setup is about giving a simple path to create income leverage by tapping into established online markets. Who is this for? I'd recommend it for absolute beginners. Anyone who wants a low-tech route into online business ideas, and people who value community support as they get started. If you want a clear, accessible entry point with a free case study you can grab immediately and a community to plug into, Invincible Marketer delivers on those exact promises. I'm going to open it up and walk through the highlights next, so you can see how the case study is laid out, what the system teaches about the $12 billion industry, and how the member community is organized. Understood. Here's the text repeated verbatim. Overall, I'm recommending Invincible Marketer. It's an accessible, beginner-friendly system from High Impact Marketing with a downloadable free case study, a simple low-tech approach, and a private community of 2,500 plus people to support you. If you want to check it out, grab the exclusive bonuses I put together for this review. You can find them in the description below this video or on the bonus page. Click the link, get Invincible Marketer, and pick up those exclusive bonuses to go with it.